2 of the following videos are true, while the other one is trash. Can you spot the fake? Round 2, let's begin. If you take a flexible plastic tube with corrugations like this, you can swing it around and it makes a pretty cool but also kind of annoying noise. However, if you take a plastic bag and cover the base of the tube like this, now when you swing it around, the sound is much deeper and more soothing in my opinion. This device is a TEC, which stands for Thermoelectric cooler. If you provide power to this device and reject enough heat using heat sinks and fans, one side will get quite hot while the other side will get cold. You can use that cold side to refrigerate things, and these are what many portable electric coolers use. However, if instead I wanted to create electricity using this device, I can flip it and use something hot and something cold with the TEC, and that will produce electricity. In order to do that, I need to wire 2 of these DECs together in series and connect them to an LED. I soldered everything together, and here's the complete circuit. I taped down some of the wire to hopefully keep everything secure as I move on to the next part, which is providing something hot and cold to each side of both TECs. Since I need access to both sides, I'm propping them up here using some spare heat sinks, but that's their only purpose. I'll use candles to provide heat to the hot side, and for the cold side, I'll use some ice cubes. Right when I place the ice cubes down, you briefly see that the LED gets really bright, although then it dims down quite a bit, so I had to turn off the light so you could see it better. This plant is called a Mimosa pudica, aka a touch-me-not plant. If you do the unthinkable and actually touch it like I'm doing here, you see that the plant moves and closes up almost immediately. You've now seen all 3 videos, and it's time to pause to vote in the comments for which one you thought was fake. It's true that thermoelectric coolers can be used to light up an LED with a large enough temperature difference like this. And placing a plastic bag over the base of this tube also... oh wait, no it doesn't. Here's what it actually sounds like. It doesn't make any musical noise at all. This sound tube works because the faster spinning end causes air to be pulled through the tube, and that air bumping into the corrugations on the tube as it passes through creates the vibrations that produce the musical sound. So blocking the opening prevents that entire airflow, resulting in no musical notes. To make the sound deeper, I just use the fact that pitch is determined by the frequency of a sound wave. So by slowing down the original clip and its audio, I can create different pitches to overlay on the plastic bag clip, as you can hear here. So yes, that means a touch-me-not plant like this does move when touched.